Hey all, welcome back to our SAP S4HANA knowledge series. In the last session, we have seen the procurement module. Today, we are going to discuss the asset management module. Asset management is the process of planning and controlling the acquisition, operation, maintenance, renewal, and disposal of organizational assets. This process improves the delivery potential of asset and minimize the cost and the risk involved. Optimize asset management with SAP S4HANA Plan. Schedule and execute maintenance operation with integrated and optimized processes. Transform asset management to excel operationally. Integrated scheduling to allocate and optimize resources including people, tool and materials. Comprehensive management of environment, health and safety data including response and analysis. Proactive task identification, management and execution to improve safety, environment impact and operational results. What can SAP S4HANA do for asset management? Maintenance execution. Complete planned and unplanned maintenance tasks in an efficient manner. Optimize operation and enable technician to detect, report and resolve malfunctions. Address emergency quickly and effectively. Asset operation and planning. Enable maintenance planner to proactively monitor important and time-sensitive work across maintenance activities and spare part inventory. Enhance maintenance effectively with fast access to analytics on cost, breakdown rates and damages. Environment health and safety. Help ensure safe working conditions for all employees in your maintenance department. Adhere to environment protection regulation. Maintain the reliability of your technical system. Capture and mitigate incidents. Manage investigation and follow-up activities to reduce injury, illness and incident rates. Reduce potential cost, penalties, fines and unplanned downtime associated with environment, health and safety (EHS). Maintenance scheduling. Transform maintenance planning and scheduling. Get an overview of due maintenance orders. Build schedule by simulating scope and workload and track work status. If you want to visually witness the product and experience the feature, then send us an email. Our technical expert will reach you out with a product demonstration. Thank you all and stay tuned to our channel for more videos on SAP S4HANA knowledge series. Bye.